Hi guys, in this video we will see how to enable and set up Apple Cache on your iPhone. If you want to turn on Apple Cache and full setup, here are the process. Tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and tap on wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on it. Here you will find the option Apple Cache. Simply turn the toggle button on to enable sending and receiving money on this iPhone. So you can easily turn off and turn on Apple Cache on this option. Now we will see how to enable. Enter your Apple ID account and Apple Cache will successfully turn off. Now how to turn on it at setup, choose continue. Unlock your iPhone with Face ID or passcode. Here agree terms and condition of Apple Cache. Tap on agree. Setting up Apple Cache. Verify your identity. To continue using Apple Cache, you need to verify your identity. Tap on continue. Unlock your iPhone and confirm your first name, last name as per your Apple ID and data stored in your iPhone. Choose first name and last name and tap on done. Verify your identity, enter your home address and verify your identity. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process and finally tap on done from the top right corner. Your Apple Cache will successfully set up and enabled.